In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on live transcribe on Samsung phone. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you two different ways that you can use to use the Samsung phone live transcribe. With live transcribe, your Samsung phone can transcribe whatever you say into English language instantly or whatever your Samsung phone language is. Now, to turn on live transcribe on your Samsung phone, the first thing to do is scroll down the Samsung phone notification tray just like this. Then locate live transcribe here. If the live transcribe feature is missing, just click on this edit button or the plus icon depending on the type of Samsung phone that you are using. Just click on this and then tap edit. Then come to available buttons and locate live transcribe button and then add it. As you can see, I have added the live transcribe button here. So let's remove this. Then come back here and just tap it once. Once you hit it, you'll see the live transcribe added to your Samsung phone notification tray. Then click on the done button. There you go. Now swipe down the Samsung phone notification tray and then click on the live transcribe button. Once you click on that, you'll see a pop-up and ready to transcribe. The first thing you want to do is you may want to click on this language button to switch between languages that you want to use on the live transcribe app on your Samsung phone, or click on the settings app. Then you should see the text size. So you can adjust the live transcribe text size. Then also transcription history. If you want to delete your Samsung phone live transcribe transcription history, just turn on this. And your live transcription history will only be saved for 24 hours. Then there's also open some notifications. If you click on that, then you should see some notifications. Here you can just configure this to match what you need. So if you turn this on, whenever the live transcribe feature is turned on your Samsung phone, there will be a beep or notifications. So at the same time, there is more settings. Hit the more settings to see whether you can use auto detect on your microphone or turn it manually. This is mic auto detect. So with auto detect, your Samsung phone will be able to detect your mic automatically when the live transcribe feature is turned on. Then you can also choose your primary language, secondary language, custom word, and others like that. Also, you can also use the live transcribe with your Samsung phone accessibility. To access the live transcribe feature under accessibility, all you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. While in the settings, you just need to scroll down and click on accessibility. While on accessibility, then you need to click on advanced settings, then tap accessibility button, tap select actions, then scroll down and tap live transcribe. Once you selected live transcribe, then this should be a secret button added to your Samsung phone. Then you can hit the back button. Now click on this secret button. You should see live transcribe pop up. Add app icon to tap to app list. You can add or don't add. There you go. You should see the live transcribe app working on your Samsung. So find it interesting. You want to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.